This video is for general information only and does not replace advice from your GP, pharmacist, or healthcare team. If you're managing a health condition, always speak to a healthcare professional before making any changes. So, do berberine patches actually work? It's a question more and more people are asking, and the honest answer is more complicated than most of the marketing will tell you. If you've been looking into berberine for blood sugar or metabolic health, you may have come across these patches and wondered whether they're a smarter option than taking it by mouth. Here's what the current evidence actually says. Berberine is a naturally occurring compound found in certain plants, including barberry. It's been studied for its potential effects on blood glucose regulation and metabolic health. Berberine patches are designed to deliver this compound through the skin and directly into the bloodstream, rather than through the digestive system. The idea is that you might avoid some of the gut side effects that oral berberine can cause, while getting a more steady, sustained release over time. That sounds appealing in theory, but here's where the evidence becomes a real concern. There's a significant biological obstacle with this delivery method. Berberine has a chemical structure. It's what scientists call a hydrophilic quaternary ammonium compound. And that structure makes it very difficult for berberine to passively penetrate the skin's outer layer. In simple terms, the skin is quite good at keeping berberine out. There are currently no peer-reviewed randomized controlled trials that have demonstrated effective transdermal absorption from these patches or any clinically meaningful therapeutic effect in humans. The claims being made about these products have not been validated by robust independent research. It's also worth noting that under MHRA borderline products guidance, patches intended to deliver active substances systemically would typically be classified as medicines requiring marketing authorization, something berberine patches don't have. Oral berberine, by contrast, does have an established body of clinical evidence behind it. Research suggests it may have modest effects on blood glucose and lipid levels. It's not without limitations. Bioavailability can be variable, and digestive side effects are relatively common, but at least there is a recognized evidence base. For berberine patches, that evidence base simply doesn't exist yet. In the UK, both berberine patches and oral berberine supplements are classified as food supplements, not licensed medicines. They haven't been evaluated by the MHRA in the way pharmaceutical products are, and NICE guidance does not recognise berberine in any clinical pathway for diabetes or metabolic conditions. If you're managing type 2 diabetes or another condition, these products sit entirely outside the framework of evidence-based care your NHS team would be working from. And importantly, please do not stop or change any prescribed diabetes medicines based on supplements without speaking to your doctor first. If you're considering berberine in any form, speak to your GP or pharmacist before starting. This is especially important if you're already taking prescribed medications, as there are theoretical drug interactions to be aware of, and berberine should be avoided during pregnancy or breastfeeding unless a healthcare professional has specifically advised otherwise. On the safety side, berberine patches may cause local skin reactions, including irritation and contact dermatitis. If you notice redness, itching, or swelling at the application site, remove the patch and seek advice from a healthcare professional. So, to recap, berberine patches are marketed as a convenient, gut-friendly alternative to oral berberine, but there is currently no robust clinical evidence that they work. Berberine's chemical structure makes transdermal absorption genuinely difficult, and no peer-reviewed trials have confirmed these patches deliver meaningful amounts into the bloodstream. Oral berberine has more research behind it, but it's still not a licensed medicine and isn't part of NHS clinical guidelines. Whatever form you're considering, always speak to your doctor or pharmacist first, and never change prescribed treatment without medical advice. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the Bolt Pharmacy channel for more evidence-based health content. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below.